Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and this is Saturday the 25th of July 2020, and this is the weekly analysis for the Euro, the cable, and the Aussie dollar for the 5th week of July. And you can see for all the major pairs, they're doing better at the expense of the US dollar. And this is because if you take a look at the DXY index, the US dollar index on the 4-hour time frame, it has continued to weaken significantly over last week and down to 94.27 now for the close of last week, and that's the major reason for all the rallies in the major pairs, and especially for the euro dollar because it's a 70% component of the DXY. So let's take a look at the euro, and if we use the reversal fib, bullish fib here, it's the trying to push up towards the 200% fib extension here at 116.77. So this zone will be the new resistance zone just below 117, and it has broken out of a significant resistance area at the 115. This was from a previous swing high here, and it's trying to target this previous swing high around the weekly 200 EMA before. That was in 2018, and with intermediate swing high here at the 118.15 level. So let's go back to the daily time frame. And it's trying to target this region here after if it's able to break through the 117, so the 117.50 area, and above that that's the 118. And you can also see a vague resemblance of a cup and handle breakout here. Is the cup with the handle as a brief bearish channel, and then the breakout from the channel and rallying up higher. So that does look like similar to a cup and handle breakout, similar to stock market. All right, so last week there was a breakthrough in the EU Economic Summit, which was supposed to be concluded on Saturday, last Saturday, 2-day summit, but extended over to 5 days, and finally completed and finalized on Tuesday with the recovery fund of the 750 billion euros was finally approved by all members, and this gave a boost as well to the euro. That's when it broke through the 115 level and continued to rally through the end of the week. All right, so this week there's not too many news except the Friday there's the preliminary GDP and CPI figures for the Eurozone, and all the pairs will have exposure to the US FOMC rate decisions later on the Wednesday, early Thursday morning for Singapore, and that's going to be the impact for a trigger for the US dollar, if there's any major news there. Let's move on to the cable, and for the cable, it didn't rally as strong, but it did a breakthrough on the Monday, break through the intermediate resistance at that time, where it has failed to break above the 126.50-55 area. Finally broke through and managed to hit the 128 level near the recent swing high. So it's coming up to retest that level. Now we'll see whether it's able to extend that. But for now, the support now is back at the 78.6 fib retracement level after this breakout. And beyond that, it needs to break through 130, and with this Fibonacci extension, bullish extension here, it aligns with the 131 level, which is at the 138 fib extension area. So it needs to break through the 128 resistance and the swing high of the 128.13 to rally up higher. And there's no major news for the UK except that there's still this ongoing Brexit talks are still stalemate in a deadlock here. So there could be some consolidation before that in order to gain some momentum or some trigger to break the 128. Support now is at the 126.55. Alright, let's move on to the Aussie dollar, where on Tuesday it has finally broken through the key 70 area. In fact, on the Monday it already closed above that 0.70, and Tuesday rallied up higher all the way to hit the weekly R3 pivot area, and just missed on hitting the 0.72 round figure. It has come back to retest the swing high at the 70.7064 area. So this could then be a bounce from here to extend its bullish move. Alright, 0.70 is now the key support zone. And this week there's Australian CPI figure on Tuesday, and other than that, there's Friday, there's news from China on their manufacturing PMI, and similarly the Aussie and the sterling pound will be also exposed to the FOMC decisions on Thursday morning. So we'll see whether there's any significant impact there. If the Aussie dollar does break through the 0.72 level, it could target the extension of this swing to the 138 fib extension, that's at 73.28 with support at 70. Alright, so do check out my other videos on spot gold and dollar yen, and as well as my Ichimoku weekly analysis as well. So meanwhile, do stay safe and have a good trading week, and cheers for now.